I think there was a point in time when it didn't do us any good. And in fact, I think the big players like IG benefited heavily from that because there was a flight of money from smaller players to the bigger players. But one thing that MF Global and WorldSpreads have proven to everybody is that the UK Financial Service Compensation Scheme works. It pays customers out, and provided you don't have more than 50,000 at any one CFD provider, you will get covered by that scheme. And I think that's done a huge amount of good for the UK and for schemes throughout Europe. So I think the market has gone from being very concerned about who they've put their money with to now almost not concerned at all, because they know they're covered by a scheme that actually pays out. And before MF and before WorldSpreads, everybody knew there was the scheme in place and they knew they were going to get paid out, but they hadn't actually seen it happen. It wasn't tangible, and I think there was always a bit of doubt in people's minds, you know, will I actually get a check for that money? That's now become a completely non-existent. And in fact, where we're probably positioning ourselves now as UK firms, we're looking a lot stronger compared to, say, our Cypriot counterparts, where there probably is still some doubt as to whether companies would actually get paid out. Okay, well, firstly, we're one of the longer established players. We've been going for 10 years. There are only a handful of CFD and spread bet providers that have been going along for that long, number one. Number two, we're private equity owned. We're owned by a company called JRJ. JRJ was founded 5 or 6 years ago by Jeremy Isaacs and Roger Nagyov, ex-Lehman bankers. Jeremy used to be chairman of Lehman in Europe. JRJ have a number of financial service investments. ETX is actually one of their smaller ones. Their bigger one, the one they're more commonly known for, is Marek Spectrum, which is a $300 million energy and commodity trading business. So JRJ bring to us a lot of corporate governance experience in running big businesses, and they've given us the confidence and helped us build the right foundations to build ETX into a big business.